Guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a luxury shoe haul. I have 3 pairs of amazing shoes to show you guys. I hope they all fit because I obviously ordered them all online, so I am definitely nervous that they won't fit. I'm scared. But let's see. We're going to try them on together. We're going to see. I know it's excessive to have 3 pairs of shoes. Like, who buys 3 pairs of shoes at one time? But like, the thing is, this type of shoe is kind of what I lean towards wearing the most. I mean, if you guys follow me over on Instagram, which you definitely should if you don't already, it's just the Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. But if you do follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen that this is the kind of shoe that I tend to wear. So if you guys want to see the new designer shoes that I picked up, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you guys already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I think you're gonna want to be here when I do. If you like fashion, luxury, handbags, shoes, hauls, shopaholics, I think this is where you're gonna want to be. So definitely subscribe if you're not already. And with that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So I don't know what's in any of these boxes. Like, obviously I know what the 3 pairs of shoes are. I just don't know which box corresponds to which shoe. So we're gonna kind of just open them up together. And this is like fresh, true unboxing because obviously I have not in the box, you know? So let's attack this box together, shall we? So these are a pair of Amina Muaddis, my first pair of Amina Muaddis. So let me show you what the inside of the box looks like before I actually show you the shoe. Oh my gosh. You guys have no idea. This is definitely the pair that I have wanted the longest. It just took me forever to find them because obviously you guys know Amina Muaddis are like impossible to get. They're never in stock. So, you guys, look at this damn shoe. Oh my god. This is the Amina Muaddi Begum Glass 95mm clear plexi heel and PVC transparent. I don't know. I'm just reading everything that's on the box. Okay, I don't know which part of that information is helpful to you, but I got mine in size 37.5, which is my size. Usually I'm a 7.5 in US, so that translates usually to a 37.5. The reason I wanted these shoes so bad, and I think most people can kind of understand where I'm coming from here, is they match everything. They match literally everything, and that's what I need, especially from like shoes. I only buy shoes, I think I spoke about this in my last video, so if you guys haven't seen it, I'll link it up here. Was it my last video? I spoke about it in my what video was that? I spoke about it in my 10 unpopular luxury opinions video, so I'll link that up here. But when I buy especially shoes, I like to buy things that I know is gonna go with a lot, you know, like something that I know I can definitely get the cost per wear out of. So if you guys look at my luxury shoe collection, everything that I have, I first of all wear all the time but everything that I have goes with a lot because that's just kind of, you know, I don't want to buy something that doesn't match anything because I'm going to wear it with one outfit and then never wear it again. That's just not my vibe. This also comes with like the rosy bow in the front rather than the starburst. But for me, this was just definitely the way to go, especially for my first Amina Muaddi. So I am so excited. I will definitely say I am nervous because I have heard that there are some quality issues with Amina Muaddi, but excited nonetheless. Here is box number 2. Also, I should mention, I got those Amina Muaddis from Shishi's Closet on Instagram. I will link it in the description box. I basically have been following her forever, and she posted that she had them in my size, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna take that. I'm immediately gonna take that. So that's how I got those. I could not find them literally anywhere else. The second pair of shoes that I got are by Manolo Blahnik. I'm so excited. So this is my first pair of Manolos, and I will say that they are the Hangisi. I don't know how to say it. I think it's Hangisi. They are that style, which is obviously like, you know, trademark Manolo. But can you guess the color? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Introducing some dust bags. But inside, introducing my first pair ever of Manolo Blahniks. You knew that I had to get a pair of orange shoes. Like, come on. To match with my little baby orange Dior bag. And this orange matches almost perfectly. There's like a touch more red in the bag. I don't know if you're gonna see that on camera. It's like a touch more red, but together, you know, you're not gonna be able to notice, so it's okay. 37.5 again. I got all the shoes in 37.5 actually, and I'm just really praying that that works out for me. I just imagine these shoes with the Lady Dior bag with like any outfit imaginable. It doesn't matter what you're wearing. It doesn't matter if you're wearing like even this. No, okay, maybe not this. But if you're wearing like white and then you put these two together, match made in heaven. If you're wearing like green and then you put these two together, match made in heaven. That like whole color blocking thing is everything to me. And I think if you follow me on Instagram, you definitely know this because I feel like half of my outfits are like color blocking. So this was just necessary. These I actually picked up from Saks Fifth Avenue and they were relatively easy to get. I mean, Manolos are like always available in any color. I want to try these out, but I feel like this could be something that I get a lot of colors in. I'm just saying. The colors are so beautiful. This like satin material is so beautiful. Stop. They're gorgeous. Let us open the final and I think largest box. Oh my God, it's so heavy. So this box is from Net-a-Porter. And this is another pair of shoes I've been wanting a really long time. You're gonna know, I feel like, as soon as you, I don't know, because I feel like a lot of people have been unboxing a different pair of shoes from this designer, which I also kind of want, by the way, but I haven't made the commitment yet. I'm not committed. It is a pair of Valentinos. Go over there. Introducing my first pair of Valentino shoes. By the way, I think this goes without being said, I'm good on shoes for like the rest of the year. Like, maybe I'll buy like a pair of boots for fall, but pretty much other than that, like, I'm good. This actually would have matched what I'm wearing today pretty well. Why didn't I do that? Actually, looking at them, this color is a little bit, I don't know if it's translating on camera. It's not. It looks very beige on camera, but this is a little bit more pink than I thought. Maybe if I put it next to beige Claire, you'll be able to see it. Can you see that? This is definitely more on the pink side, and this is, you know, a little bit more on the yellow side. So obviously these are the Tango platform shoes in rose, I believe is the color. You know what, let me get a pair of pink shoes out so I can compare. These are my Bottega Veneta shoes. I don't even know what these are called, but I wear these like freaking crazy. And these are like obviously pink. No, they're not very pink. They're not very alike. I've wanted a pair of Tango platform heels pretty much since they came out. When the Versace Medusa, what are they called? Avitas heels came out, I was not really excited about those. They look a little bit clunky and they don't look that appealing to me. But since I got my Louboutins that are this platform style and I wear these like crazy, I absolutely love these shoes. Since I've been wearing these so much, look at how disgusting the bottom is. You could tell I've been wearing these. But since I've been wearing those so much, I figured this was the time. This was the time, and this color in my mind was gonna match with so much. These are enormous. Like if you're looking at them, you're like, what the hell? But in reality, this heel is all you have to worry about, and it's a block heel and it's like 3 inches. So it's really not bad. Even though like some people are like, oh, I don't think I could ever walk in that. I think you can. I feel like these match pretty much everything that the Louboutins don't. So I think it's gonna be good. I think we're gonna live a long, happy life together. I was kind of hesitant because of the color, but honestly looking at them, you know, they're good. They're staying here. Let's just put them right over here. But that is it for this unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. Let me know which pair of shoes you like the best. I know that none of these were in my wishlist video, which if you didn't see that, I'll link it up here in the cards. These were not the shoes that were on my wishlist video. I had one pair of Rene Cavill shoes on there, and I actually think that I am taking those off of my wishlist because we're about to be in September, which means I am not about to freeze my toes off in those shoes. So I'm gonna take them off of the wish list for now. But yeah, thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Well, there goes that. Oh my God, what is on my nail? What the fuck? Is that eyelash glue? Are you serious right now?